everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Roccabox mystery box. So a few months ago on my channel I unboxed one of these for the first time and I thought it's been a little while, I would give it another go. I haven't actually opened this yet, I'm going to do it all on camera, so stick around to see exactly what I got in my mystery box. The first thing I wanted to say is that this mystery box from Roccabox costs just £10 and includes items from some of their previous boxes. So this is different to their subscription that they offer. This is just a one-off mystery box for £10. And I was really happy with everything that I received last time. I will link that video in the description as well, so do check that out after this. And I thought it was time to spend another £10 and see what I got this time. So first of all, it comes in this really nice pink box. Again, it says here, money can't buy happiness, but it can buy a Roccabox. I ordered this only 3 or 4 days ago and it turned up really quickly. So actually props to the Royal Mail for once for delivering this really quickly. So just opening up the box, this is what it looks like inside. So it says, taking you on a journey of beauty discovery, and they do say that this will contain 5 to 6 items from previous boxes. It is complete mystery. They do say if you order multiple boxes there obviously is a risk that you could receive the same items more than once. So starting off here is just a bit of information about the actual subscription service. So the subscription is also just £10 a month. They didn't actually have this in the box last time. There was no information about any of the other products, which surprised me because I would have thought if someone was buying a mystery box, they're probably going to be interested in taking out a subscription in the future, if obviously they're happy about what's in the box. Again, it comes with all this pink crinkly packaging, which I have just dropped all over the floor, so it keeps everything safe and sound in the box. I have also got my laptop here, so I'm going to pick out each item one at a time, show you it, talk about it, and then I'm also going to look up what the RRP or the closest RRP I can find for each item to see really whether this box is as good a value as they say it is. And I'm just going to reach into the box now for the first item. Okay, so what do we have here? So we've got this here, which is a Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. And it says, our award-winning Zingy Gel Serum reduces pigmentation and uneven skin tone whilst boosting hydration, elasticity and texture. And it does also say that this is vegan, so that's really great to know. And the tube's made from recycled plastic as well, so yeah, it looks quite good. I'm gonna have a quick look on Google and just see how much this item RRPs for. I've had a quick look on Google for this Balance Me serum and all I can find is the full size version, which is 30ml, and this one's only 7ml, but the 30ml version of this product is £32. So roughly 7 goes into 34 times, so what we're looking at, nearly £8 or around £8 value just for this serum. So I tell you what, this serum better do a good job, because I'm not sure on the face of it whether I would pay £8 personally, but considering the box was only £10, we've almost already covered the cost of the box. I'm just going to reach into the box for my next item. Oh, this one feels quite big. Okay, so we've got a Project Lip Mask, and this is Prep the Pout, hydrating, smoothing and collagen infused mask. This says here, this hydrogel lip mask will leave you with a smooth, plump and kissable pout. And I haven't actually tried a lip mask before, so this looks quite interesting. I do love a face mask and a hair mask, but never thought about trying one out for my lips. But I suppose that's the beauty of these kind of boxes, that you get products that you can try out or different brands you can try out. I've just had a quick look online. They do actually stock this lip mask on Beauty Bay and it's £3.95. So far we're up to about £12 worth of products for our £10 box. I think I did forget to mention that the postage and packaging was £3.95, but even with these first two items, I've already almost covered all of that cost. So yeah, excited to see what I pull out next from my Roccabox mystery box. From what I can feel from having a little delve around this box, I think there is 5 items in total in my box, and I think last time I actually got 6. So again, interested to see how the value stacks up this time, but just going in for item number 3. Okay, and this time we've got this Nip and Fab Purify, and I did actually, I suppose spoiler alert for last time, I did get this in my last box as well, so maybe they've just got a big overorder of these. But this is their Salicylic Fix Concentrate. It's a powerful booster packed with the skin rejuvenating benefits of 2% salicylic acid. I have been using this probably not as frequently as I should, but it does help to reduce uneven skin tone, and I think it is more for oily skin, which I don't tend to really suffer with, so this isn't something that I've really been reaching for that I own already. So maybe I will just gift this to someone else, or who knows, but it's worth trying out. I haven't tried out any of their other products from Nip and Fab. Again, that's the risk I suppose you take with a mystery box. You don't know whether you're going to get the same items or items that necessarily are suitable for your skin, or you know, your hair, or whatever the item is. This Nip and Fab is actually a full-size product, and this is available by the looks of it on a few different websites, but I have found it on Boots, and it actually retails for £19.95, so nearly £20, which is crazy. I suppose to me it doesn't really hold that value because it's not really for my skin type, or it's not something I'm really going to benefit from. So as I said, I probably will just re-gift this to someone else. But if I can remember the prices of everything else so far, I think we're up to about £32 worth of items for the £10 box. So already over tripled the value of the box, which I think is really, really great. And I'll just have a look and see what the next item is. This is what I've just pulled out next. This is item number 4 in the Roccabox mystery box, and this is Grace and Stella Lavender Lotion. I think I did get a Grace and Stella product in my last Roccabox mystery box, and I was really, really impressed with it. I think it was quite pricey, but I was impressed with it. I didn't go on to buy the full size because I just really couldn't justify the price, but again, a really great way to just try out new brands and new products that you maybe don't want to splash loads of cash on. But yeah, this just looks like it's just a nice hand cream. I do get really, really dry hands. It's probably from washing up loads, so I can never be without a hand cream. This one looks nice. I do like the fragrance of lavender, and this is in a 30ml tube, so good size hand cream, especially for one of these kinds of boxes. And from what I found online, this lavender lotion actually RRPs for £3.99. So another £4 value added to our box, and that now takes us to £36. So almost 4 times the value of the box. And I do know that there is one item left because I did have a little root around to see if I could count how many there were. So I'll just pull out the last item now and see what that is. The final item that I've pulled out of my mystery box is actually a makeup item, and this is a Marc Jacobs eyeliner. So this is the Marc Jacobs Ultra Skinny Gel Eye Crayon. And I haven't ever actually tried anything from Marc Jacobs, probably because it's far too expensive for my budget. And this is in shade Blacker. So I'm assuming this is going to be a black pencil, but I'll just have a quick look. This is definitely a sample size, A, because the packet's tiny, and B, because it does say sample on the packet. This apparently is waterproof. This is what the actual packaging looks like. So it just says Marc Jacobs here. Quite snazzy packaging by the looks of it. It's just got like a retractable type thing, and this is what it looks like on the end. So it is a really, really fine crayon by the looks of it. Quite interested to give this a go actually. I do use black eyeliner pencils most of the time, I know I've got a white one on right now, but most of the time I do use black eyeliner. And again, I would never have even considered looking at anything from Marc Jacobs because it's probably far too out of my price range. All I can find for this though is just the full size version, which is £20, which for an eyeliner pencil, for my budget, is just ridiculous. I think the most I would spend on an eyeliner pencil was probably about £5. So this better be a really, really good pencil. And say this is half the size of the full size version, £10. Taking our total box value to £46. I am a little bit disappointed. I think only because last time the value of my box was a lot more than this, and one of the items I really won't use. But having said that, for £10, and obviously the risk of it being a mystery box and you could get, you know, items that you really want or items that you're just not fussed about, I still think it's really good value and I wouldn't be put off perhaps getting another one in the future. I probably would give it a few months again to just try out these products before purchasing one, just in case I did get the same products again. I mean, I've already had one duplicate, so I probably wouldn't want to end up potentially with 3. But overall, pretty happy. There's definitely 4 things in this box that I would use and I'm quite excited to use and try out. I will leave the link to Roccabox in the description, as well as the link for my other video I did unboxing another Roccabox mystery box. This video isn't sponsored or anything, this is just me buying a box and just opening it up and seeing what's in there. I will try to give you some feedback on this product once I have used them, but if you are thinking about getting one of these boxes, for £10, I don't really think you have anything to lose. Even if just a couple of the items worked out or were something that you wanted, I still think that it's worth giving it a go. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.